Well, welcome back to my channel. Someone had made a comment they'd like me to do a little short video on different screens for the grinder mixers and what I use and explain them a little bit. So without any further ado, we'll get into it. This is an International 1150 grinder mixer. We can get this situated right there. Got to loosen up this big wing nut. Pop this big lid off. And I use this big screen right here. And on the inside there's some, I'll get my flashlight out, you can see there's 4 rows of hammers that swing freely, and then they just miss the screen in rotation, and basically everything, all the grain runs between the hammers and the screen. So depending on how fine you want it to be ground, that's how you do it. I've got that big screen, I've got the smaller screen here, and a smaller one there yet, and the outside here even a smaller one for like pig feed, little baby pig feed. Excuse me. So yeah, if I could, reach in there and hang on. Okay, there's these. I can't quite get my hand in there. Yeah, that's just the gist of it anyhow. Then it gets pounded through the screen. Dust. Then there's an auger down there that takes it into the main tub. And then there's a big spiral corkscrew in there that keeps throwing it around and mixing it inside of there. But this is what I use for cracking corn for my cattle. It doesn't pulverize it, but just enough just to crack it. I only run the throttle on the 560 at about 1300 RPMs. That way the hammers don't have full momentum when it's running around. And then this goes back in like this. There we go. Just crank her all down to seal it up again. And this little cycle on the front is supposed to help eliminate a lot of the dust while grinding. So right now I have the grinder mixer about full, enough room to put my protein in for feeding it to the cattle. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. Shut my flashlight off. Please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Remember, be kind to one another.